Today, I'm going to show you guys how I turn some scrap wood into a serving tray for a friend because she asked me to. So the first thing, I measured and cut each strip to the size that I needed. I've actually never used a miter saw before. This was my first time and it was, oh my gosh, so much fun. Thankfully, I did not cut any phalanges. Next, I sanded everything down, all sides. Also, wear a mask and goggles because it gets really dusty. Now, wipe away all the dust. I just used a microfiber cloth. Next, grab your wood glue and glue all the pieces. I also don't have a paintbrush to spread it, so I used one of my free spirit fingers. Make sure that all the glue is evenly spread out on that area. You don't want any missing spots. Now, lay them all down and piece it together. Here I'm just aligning everything so that everything's straight. Then I took a wet cloth and wiped away any of the excess glue. Now I'm clamping everything together. I'm clamping it on both sides to make sure that they're tightly pressed together so that it is not going to move. This clamp is actually from Maker Brand Company and they are amazing. I've actually used this clamp not for just clamping things, I actually used it as a drill press once. Yeah, I know. You can watch it in my How I Made a Jump Rope video. After you've clamped everything nice and tight, make sure you take your wet rag again and wipe away any of the squeeze out from the glue. There's a lot of squeeze out. Once that's done, I trimmed the edges to make sure everything was straight. Then I sanded everything down again. And don't forget to wipe all the dust away with your microfiber cloth. Now I'm having a snack because I needed a piece of candy. And yes, it came from my little mini backpack fanny pack. So what you're gonna do are you're gonna glue the sides, spread the glue, and add the sides of your serving tray. And you're gonna clamp it shut, squeeze out the excess, and repeat for both sides and clamp everything down. For not just the long sides, but the short sides as well. After it's dry, you can actually just paint it or finish it off with the resin. I just finished everything off with a simple Danish oil, just to polish it to keep the color and to match that back wall. Now my girlfriend wanted some handles to it, so we just attached simple black handles. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks guys, bye.